What's up, good people? Welcome to another video. And this is the first time you are watching something like this in my channel for the first time, because I usually do travel and motor vlogs. But right now, this is my very first Apple Watch, which is the Apple Watch SE, which I brought from a Apple store and which I would be unboxing right now in front of you guys. So I hope you would like this type of content in my channel, and if you do like, please let me know in the comments so that I can do more of these. So let's get back to the unboxing. So first of all, here is the packaging. This is pretty simple, just an Apple Watch. See, it's sleek design, no more like plastic or anything like that. There is nothing, only this packaging. So to open it, just from here you have to take this, and from this it opens like a present and starts with the watch itself. There is one box and there is another box. For the meantime, let's keep this aside, and first let us see the belt. So this is the belt that comes with the box. I didn't purchase it like separate. This comes with the box, and this is black version. So to open this, you have to just simply, here is the arrow, just open it from here. So I have my friend, this is yellow bee. This is pretty sharp and it can be harmful too, so be safe with these things. So from here, just cut this thing up and then put this aside. Oh my god. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so here are we have already opened it, so let's see how is it. So another logo called Apple, and inside this thing is the band itself. It's actually almost blue color, not a black variant. So if you take it off, it looks like it's kind of royal blue, but it's definitely not black. So it's blue, I think. Band is blue. Let's keep this aside. So these are the two belts that comes in the box, and this is pretty premium, feels pretty premium. Two sides which will go like this, I think, for the watch. So let's keep this like this, and let's come back to the watch itself. So let me tell you, this is Apple Watch SE second generation, which is one of the latest watch. Now it's 8 running. With 8 it came as the second generation of SE, and for me it's one of the best budget Apple Watch you can get, because others are expensive. You can get this for like around $400. This is a GPS plus cellular model, and I will let you know what is a GPS and what is a cellular is. But first, let's open this. This Apple unboxings are good. Oh, satisfying. So yeah, let's keep this aside. So this is the thing, designed by Apple in California. There are some like manuals how to do stuff, which I don't really need. And one more thing, this is the first time that I'm buying a Apple Watch, because I don't have any Apple products. I'm not a big fan, but here in the US you gotta be a fan of Apple, otherwise you're gonna miss many things. Your all friends are using Apple and everything, and you are using Android. That will be a problem. And still now I have the OnePlus 8T, which right now I'm recording from, because I don't have the lens for my camera. And the other thing is, it doesn't pair with Android. That's the main problem. It will always pair with the Apple device to get the best feature out of it. So okay, without further ado, let's see what we got. This is the wireless charger, I think the wireless battery charger, sorry, the wireless what it says, the wireless watch charger that comes in the box. Yes, they gave you the charger itself. And to open it, sorry guys, this is my first time opening products from Apple. I haven't ever opened it. Oh, that's a type C. Good. Not a lightning, that's a type C. And this is a small magnetic charger from Apple. Maybe it is, how much, maybe like 5 to 10 watt, not more than that, because this looks like that. Okay, let's keep this aside and we'll look at it later on. So now let's come back to the watch itself. So it's black and with a red color on the dial. What it calls, I don't know, the crown, maybe it calls the crown. So smooth. And if I open it from here, oh, found it, problem. Okay, so it's here. In the back part we got a sensor, I think 2 sensors, and the power button, the microphone, the crown dialer, and here where the strap goes on. And the best part is this is a 44mm watch, and you can get any kind of bands you like which is 44mm. That is, so let's do the strapping. Oh, before we put on the strap, I have a small thing that I brought from Amazon, which is like around $12. This is a small thing. This is called the protection case for the Apple Watch. As day-to-day life you move to one place to another, you might scratch the display, which is pretty expensive scratch. So I just ordered a case for this, and it's a waterproof case too. And this is already waterproof, but I got something in 2-in-1, so why not? So this is the thing itself. It's from Amazon. I will give you the link below in the description. Let's see, how is it? A small package with a cover, 360 cover itself, and it comes with ton of things. Okay, and that's a manual, how you gotta do it, how to open the thing, and how to put on the glass. If you can see, I can show you this. And this is the very light, very light glass for the watch, which goes totally with this. It will be a little bit bigger, I know, but it will be protected all the time. That is what I need. Let's start the things. So first of all, it comes out like that. You gotta clean it first, because you okay. So as the watch is already ready, I put the case on. So see how it looks with the case, because now it's totally shock proof. This is a glass and the back is protected, the side are protected, everything is set. The dialer is still here, everything looks good. So now let's put on this thing. So all you gotta do is from side, just slide it in. It will place in the magnet. This one same, slide. Okay, so always start from here. So yeah, it's good to go. Apple Watch ready. And yeah, this watch can't be paired with Android phones, but you can guess what's coming next. So yeah, that's all for today for the Apple Watch SE second generation, which is $400 from T-Mobile carrier. So that is all for today. See you on another video with maybe like another product from this company. You never know. So please do subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will update many more videos with this Apple Watch as a Android user and as a first time user, which I'm a beginner. So please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.